When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody's praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody says, "Yes, please," the rebel says, "No, thank you. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be ours. You may not find it very good to be ours.